Hello. Okay, you guessed it. It's lunchtime. I got some good news this time. I'm over here in the greenhouse and ooh-wee, the peppers, they're looking good. Let's take a look, okay? Look at these babies grow. Look at my squash. And one is growing in here. You wouldn't be able to tell because it's acting shy, but it's down in there. That's how I knew they were beginning to grow. Let's water it. And look at that eggplant. Whew! Nice. Okay, so I'm over here in the neighbor's yard, and let's give an update on what the lights possibly did and did not do. Wait a minute. Y'all know I'm choosing joy. No, we got that one light up here digging, and I mean that is a deep hole right there, but luckily nothing is growing right there. Nothing's really growing right there. I have green beans right there, but I'm beginning to think those seeds were old because nothing's happening, nothing's coming up. Digging right here. This is where I had my bok choy planted. Crazy. Herbs were planted right here. Okay, so no light right here, but this is the solar. But look how deep that hole is. I'm not really sure if this is a new hole because I thought about it as I was riding home that I never covered these holes up. But right in here where the lights are cascaded, no more digging, no more deep digging. Spun the block again, more holes. Even came over here with marigolds. Look at that joy it's bringing me. Look at all of these onions coming up in my row. And guess what? No digging right there. I might have my answer. Plant some more onions. So I think that could be my answer, is to plant more onions and garlic and shoot, get this row under control.